Tired of driving around in a plain old boring car? Well, I've got some seriously cool gadgets that will transform your sweet ride into the ultimate driving experience. From high-tech GPS trackers to sleek phone mounts, we've got everything you need to pimp out your ride. So buckle up and get ready to check out 17 of the coolest car gadgets you'll want to have in your life. And don't worry, I promise you won't be disappointed. Let's dive in. Number 17, SGCB Pro Swirl Finder Flashlight. Wondering how can a flashlight possibly be cool? Well, this isn't just any ordinary flashlight. This baby is a game changer. It's designed specifically for car detailing, and it's got some seriously impressive features. First of all, the SGCB Pro Swirl Finder Flashlight has a high-powered LED light that's perfect for detecting swirl marks, scratches, and other imperfections on your car's paint job. You'll be able to spot even the tiniest blemish that would have gone unnoticed before. But that's not all. This flashlight also has a handy zoom function, so you can focus on specific areas and really get a close look. And it's built to last, with a durable aluminum body and long-lasting battery. So whether you're a car detailing pro, or just someone who wants their ride to look its best, the SGCB Pro Swirl Finder Flashlight is an absolute must-have. Number 16. UV Work Lights. First of all, have you ever dropped something important in your car, like your keys or phone, and couldn't find it because it was too dark? Say goodbye to those struggles. These UV work lights illuminate even the darkest corners of your car, making it easy to find anything you've dropped. But that's not all. These lights also have UV technology that can detect stains and germs in your car. Do you know how your car's air conditioning system can sometimes have a funky smell? These lights can help you find and get rid of the source of that smell. How's that? Number 15. LED Work Lights. These little gadgets pack a punch with their super bright LED lights that will illuminate your work area like never before. No more straining your eyes or holding flashlights in your mouth. Trust me, it's a game changer. Plus, they're super easy to use and versatile. They're also waterproof, so there are no worries about accidental spills or splashes. Trust me, they help in a ton of ways. Number 14. ScanGrip Starlight. This one is like having the sun in your pocket. The ScanGrip Starlight provides a super bright 2000 lumen LED light that can illuminate even the darkest corners of your car. Not only that, but the Starlight is incredibly versatile. Just like the LED light, it comes with a magnetic base, allowing you to attach it to any metal surface in your car. Whether you're working on your engine, changing a tire, or just need some extra light to find that lost french fry, this gadget has got you covered. Number 13. R2D2 USB Car Charger. Do you love Star Wars and want to show off your fandom even in your car? Well, then you gotta check out the R2D2 USB Car Charger. This little guy is not only cute, but also functional. With 2 USB ports, you can charge your phone and your friend's phone at the same time. No more fighting over the charger in the car. And the best part? R2D2 lights up and makes sounds while charging your devices. Yes, you heard me right. You can finally hear R2D2's iconic beeps and boops while on the go. It's like having your own little droid buddy in the car with you. Number 12. Snow Strip Magnetic. This amazing gadget is an absolute game changer for anyone living in a snowy climate. The Snow Strip Magnetic is a strip of super strong magnets that attaches to the roof of your car, helping you carry your snow gear, but at the same time preventing it from sticking to your car's surface. That's right, no more chipping paint jobs. Number 10. Automatic Sensing Parking Lock. This tiny gadget uses ultrasonic sensors to detect the distance between your car and any obstacles around you, and then it automatically applies the brakes to prevent any accidental collisions. How awesome is that? But that's not all. It also has a built-in camera that gives you a bird's eye view of your surroundings, making parking a breeze. Number 9. Retec Foldable MagSafe Dashboard Charger and Phone Holder. This might look like your normal crappy charger, but it's not. It charges your phone super quickly with its MagSafe technology, but it also doubles as a phone holder, so you can easily navigate without having to hold your phone. And the best part? It folds up neatly when not in use, so it doesn't take up any unnecessary space in your car. Number 8. PumpPal. Ever struggle to fill up your gas tank without spilling gasoline all over your hands in the car? We've all been there, right? Not only does the PumpPal make filling up your gas tank a breeze, but it also saves you money by preventing overfilling and spilling. Plus, it's so easy to use. Just attach it to your gas pump nozzle and let it do the work for you. It even has a built-in LED light, so you can see what you're doing in the dark. How cool is that? Number 7. Digital Diagnostic Mirror. Now with just a quick installation, you'll be able to see what's happening under the hood in real time on a clear and easy-to-read digital display. No more guesswork, no more frustration. But that's not all, guys. This amazing mirror also provides diagnostic information on your car's battery, alternator, and even tire pressure. And the best part? It's super affordable and easy to install yourself. Number 6. The Advanced Road Emergency Signal. Now, this is a device that you can easily attach to your car's window. It's a simple and effective way to signal other drivers in case of an emergency. You know those moments when you're stranded on the side of the road and you need to let other drivers know that they need to be careful. Well, this little gadget is perfect for that. Number 5. Kimblade Nano Wiper Blades. Now I know what you're thinking, wiper blades, how can they be cool? But trust me, these babies are game changers. First of all, they're made with nanotech, which means they clean your windshield better and last longer than your typical wiper blades. Plus, they're super easy to install, so you won't have to spend hours fumbling in the rain. But wait, there's more. These wiper blades are also designed to reduce wind noise and drag, which means you can enjoy a quieter and smoother ride. Number 4. Sunglasses holder. Now, if you want to keep your shades safe, you gotta have this. It's easy to install, fits most car models, and holds your sunglasses in place with a firm grip. No more fumbling around trying to find your shades on the floor of your car, or, worse, having them get crushed under the seat. You definitely don't want that, right? Number 3. Brickhouse Security Spark Nano 7 GPS Tracker. Have you ever parked your car in a huge parking lot and then spent 20 minutes wandering around trying to find it? Not anymore. The Spark Nano 7 GPS Tracker will pinpoint your car's location with incredible accuracy. Plus, if someone tries to mess with your car, you'll be notified right away. But wait, there's more. This GPS tracker also has a long battery life, so you don't have to worry about it dying on you at an inconvenient time. And with its easy-to-use app, you can track your car's location and set up geofences to make sure it stays where it's supposed to. Number 2. Coolper Car Fan. It's summer and it's crazily hot. You wish you had a solution to keep your car cool and comfortable, right? The Coolper Car Fan is the coolest car gadget you absolutely need right now. With its powerful motor and adjustable speed settings, the Coolper Car Fan can save you from the scorching heat of the sun and make my car rides a lot more enjoyable. Not only does it keep me cool, but the Coolper Car Fan also has a sleek and stylish design that perfectly blends in with any car interior. Plus, it's super easy to install and doesn't take up much space. Finally, number 1, the R-Plate digital license plate. I would say this is the coolest thing to happen to car technology since the GPS. Seriously, it's a game changer. First of all, it's completely digital, which means you can customize your license plate to say whatever you want. Want to make a joke that only your friends will get? Easy peasy. You can change it up as often as you like, which means you'll never get bored with your car's look. But that's not all. The R-Plate is also smart. It can alert you when your car is being towed or stolen, and even has a built-in tracking system. Plus, it's super easy to install and works with any car. I mean, what else can you ask from it? Well, that's our stock of 17 awesome car gadgets that you'll definitely want to have. What do you guys think? Do drop what you think in the comment section below. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, keep those engines running and stay safe out there on the road.